3, 2, 1.
What is the climate of a small area called? The answer is A, microclimate. Which of these is true about the sloth's diet? The answer is B, sloths are omnivores. The Mediterranean Sea is surrounded by which continents? The answer is A, Europe and Asia. How do plants and algae both make food? The answer is A, photosynthesis. What is an operating system? The answer is A, software that manages hardware. Which list contains only non-living things? The answer is B, water, rocks, sunlight. What is the main occupation of the characters in The Old Man and the Sea? The answer is A, fishing. When sodium hydroxide reacts with a copper nitrate solution, the reaction vessel needs to be kept on ice to slow down the reaction. What best describes this reaction? The answer is B, an exothermic reaction that releases energy. The official language of the Hittite Empire, the Hittite language, is part of what group of extinct Indo-European languages? The answer is A, Anatolian. Only finished mRNAs are exported from the nucleus to what? The answer is B, cytoplasm. What kind of flower was named in honor of Lady Diana in Singapore? The answer is B, orchid. What is the term for the measure of the force of gravity pulling down on an object? The answer is D, weight. What is it that you can break without touching and catch without hands? The answer is A, a promise. Which of these world-famous tennis players became the Wimbledon 2004 champion? The answer is B, Maria Sharapova. Who designed the Sydney Opera House? The answer is B, Bjorn Utzon. How many arms do octopuses have? The answer is A, 8. In the hit television series Mad About You, what did Paul do for a living? The answer is B, he was a filmmaker. Osmotic pressure is important in biological systems because cell walls are what? The answer is C, semipermeable membranes. Who is known as the Iron Chancellor? The answer is A, Otto von Bismarck. Heart disease can result in a reduced amount of oxygen moving properly through the body. Which body system does heart disease most directly affect? The answer is C, circulatory. What is the fastest ocean animal? The answer is A, sailfish. What pop band, formed in 1973 in San Francisco, California, sang What You Gonna Do? The answer is C, Pablo Cruz. Which of these statements regarding Slovakia and Slovenia is true? The answer is C, only Slovenia is an alpine country. What is the book that features Sherlock Holmes? The answer is D, The Adventures of Sherlock Holmes. Like a runner passing a baton, the transmission of nerve impulses between neurons depends on what? The answer is D, neurotransmitters. What was the rating for the film Little Miss Sunshine? The answer is A, R. The main characters from Friends go to chat at which fictional coffee shop? The answer is B, Central Perk. What are Willow's first words in the first episode of the Buffy series? The answer is C, oh, really? What is the only state that touches 8 other states in the U.S.? The answer is B, Texas. What year did the sitcom Welcome Back, Kotter make its television debut?
The answer is B, 1975.
How many Dalmatian puppies were stolen by Cruella, Jasper, and Horace in the movie 101 Dalmatians? The answer is A, 15. I seek the ultimate good and the ideal state for humanity. Who am I? The answer is B, Plato. Who were Princess Diana's parents? The answer is C, the Viscount and Viscountess Althorp. Which of the following would push water out of its body to evade an orca? The answer is A, a squid. Which mathematical constant approaches Ex when x is large? The answer is A, Euler's number. Who broke the record for highest jump by a kangaroo? The answer is A, Bouncer. What movie brought world fame to Marlene Dietrich and introduced her signature song Falling in Love Again Can't Help It? The answer is B, The Blue Angel. Which popular food originated from Turkey and is usually eaten with flatbread? The answer is A, gyro. What is the meaning of the figurative expression a white elephant? The answer is D, a pricey and useless possession. To where do Muslims make pilgrimage? The answer is C, Mecca. What type of protein fibers in the cytoskeleton are the narrowest? The answer is D, microfilaments. More sulfur dioxide is being added to the atmosphere. How will this most likely affect the hydrosphere? The answer is B, the acidity of the ocean will increase. What is chavezology the study of? The answer is B, devil worshippers. Which of these is a mixture? The answer is A, salt water. Who won the 1958 Academy Award for Best Actress? The answer is D, Susan Hayward. What is it that never gets used up, and the more you take from it, the more remains? The answer is B, water. What was the name of the pub in which the characters barricade themselves in the 2004 movie Shaun of the Dead? The answer is D, Winchester. A chemist observed bubbling and fizzing after adding an acid solution to a white powdery substance in a beaker. Which of the following can be inferred? The answer is B, the acid and powder formed a new product. Which cleaning tool has a long handle and a scrubbing pad on the end? The answer is D, scrubber. Which leader founded the USSR?